How to use True North for iPhone compass. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view and manage settings for all your installed apps from here. Now, scroll down the list of apps to find and tap on Compass. This screen lets you manage permissions and settings for the Compass app, such as location access and directional preferences. Here, turn on the toggle switch for Use True North. Now, go back and open the Compass app. The dial will now be oriented to True North, and the red arrow will indicate the magnetic declination from True North. Following these steps, you can easily use True North for iPhone's compass. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.